Hey guys, in this lecture we'll be covering changing data types in Tableau. So once you have connected to your data sets, Tableau automatically goes through the data and assigns them a data type. So if it sees that the column has string values, it would give it ABC string. So it's going to change the data type to a string. If it sees that there are dates present, it would assign it a date data type. Just like that, if it has number present, it will assign it a whole number. But not always Tableau gets these data types correct. So it's our job to go through each of these different columns, and whenever we connect to a data set, to make sure that the data type is correct on each of these different ones. So there are different type of data types. We have numbers, we have dates, we have string, boolean, and we have geographical values. So Tableau and each of these have a different icon. So as you can see, Tableau automatically assigned a geographical data type to the column country, to the column city, state, postal code, and yeah, so it automatically assigns a geographical value. But if this is not correct and you want to change it to a different data type, all you will need to do is click on here on top of the data type and change it to whichever one that makes sense.